Hi everyone, my name is Corinne Benitez and I'm going to talk about my leadership philosophy. This presentation is about the creation of my leadership philosophy, how to implement this philosophy at my workplace, make others understand my points of view and ideas, and the most important, how to be a good and effective leader and manager. I chose the transformational leadership because throughout my experience as a reception manager in different restaurants, I found this theory very effective. I think the best way to motivate people is by caring about them and looking at their potential to make them grow in the company. Motivating and giving incentives is an excellent way to improve the customer service skills of your employees and will improve revenue as well. As a manager, it's important to cultivate fellowship to create a fun, interesting, excellent, profitable work environment. So now we look at the pros and cons of the transformational leadership. The pros of a leader, they communicate their vision well to other company leaders and to all employees in the company to get everyone on board with the same vision. They have the ability to inspire and motivate others with the vision of transformational leaders. The cons include detail orientation. Transformational leaders need support for more organized and detailed people. Transformational leaders may fall in the trap of relying too much on emotion and passions and overlook truth and reality. Now we're going to look at the pros of a follower. They promote enthusiasm to employees and give motivation to perform better. Followers will feel more identified with the vision of the company and will make the company goals, their own goals as well. The cons of the follower, it carries the potential for abuse. Employees may take advantage of the empowerment and do not perform their duties as they're supposed to. Detail-oriented, they will need a person that is more detail-oriented and organized to make them success through their duties. As my leadership biography, I chose Setting the Table, The Transforming Power of Hospitality in Business by Danny Meyer. Danny Meyer is a transformation leader that guides his team through inspiration, motivation, and commitment. He believes that for the success of his restaurant, he must take care of his employees first. Transformational leadership and Setting the Table are similar because they both talk about leading by your team by teaching, setting priorities, and holding people accountable. Transformational leadership and Setting the Table are different in the sense that Danny Meyer is detail-oriented and can organize his ideas and his vision very clear. Danny Meyer quotes, 3 hallmarks of effective leadership are to provide a clear vision for your business so that your employees know where you're taking them, to hold people accountable for consistent standards of excellence, and to communicate a well-defined cultural priorities and non-negotiable values. This is found on page 187 of Setting the Table. As my leadership movie, I chose Inside Out by Peter Docter. This movie came out in 2015. The movie can relate with the 10 leadership theories. Some theories are based in character and personality decisions, and the movie shows how emotions of a person can define the type of leader you are. For example, if you have a personality of a transformational leader, you would teach, encourage, motivate, and help others to be better and become leaders as well. On the other hand, the style theory leadership states that the style is the key to success, such as demanding or democratic and participative. The character, joy, and transformational leadership are similar in the sense that she wants to motivate and encourage Riley to be happy and make the best decisions when she faces different scenarios. The character, anger, is different from transformational leadership because they do not share the same values. Anger does not care about motivation, inspiration, and holding people accountable. The comparison of my personal leadership and transformational leadership is that in order to be a good leader, you need to understand the job of your employees by getting your hands dirty, and you will get respect and admiration of your staff. It is very important to have a balance between your personal life and your job. Being overworked can be harmful to your performance, and you can give a bad impression to your employees. In difference with the transformational leadership, I will be very detail oriented, and I will make sure to guide my employees with a clear vision and organized ideas. So, to conclusion, everything I learned doing this assignment, I can incorporate towards my professional life. As of today, I can improve my leadership skills managing my reception team. I can come up with new ideas of how to motivate and make people accountable. And I also learned that being transformational leader, it's good with the necessary supervision, guidelines, and organization. In the future, when I open my own restaurant or lounge, everything I learned in this course, it will help me to create and manage a successful team, just like Danny Meyer did in Setting the Table. Thank you. Bye.